Hello, darlings, and welcome to my beauty. Today we're doing kind of vegan, not really vegan blueberry muffins because I'm still using egg, but whatever. So first we're going to start off with 2 cups of flour, and next I'm adding in 1 cup of coconut sugar. And then after that we're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And you're going to stir all that up until it's well combined. And then we're going to add in our wet ingredients. So I have 2 eggs. That's where the not really vegan comes in at because I got the eggs. But anyway, kind of hurt me to use these eggs because they're so expensive, but whatever. I got 2 eggs. And then I got a third a cup of oil. And I have a half a cup of oat milk. You can buy oat milk. I made my own. Yeah, so whatever. And then I got about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And mix that all up until it is well combined. Alright, next I have 2 cups of blueberries, and I took a half of that 2 cups and I mashed them, so a half a cup. Mash up a half a cup of the 2 cups. You know what I mean. Anyway, just stir that in along with the cup and a half of the remainder whole blueberries. Stir it all again together. Yep, yummy, yummy, yummy. And I'm just gonna spray my pan and fill these up. Just to show you, I'm doing one right now and showing you I'm putting some sanding sugar on top, or you don't have to do sugar or whatever. It's just whatever you prefer. So I'd have 6 with sugar, 6 without. And we're going to bake this at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. And here are the finished muffins. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you. Mwah.